Good morning everyone, and evening everywhere else. It's Chuck's here, and I'm just looking at you can see the flow position, which way the flow goes. So I'm looking at a connector that is used in fridges that broke on me because the actual material got old. And what you have to do is you have to push down this round thing and pull the pipe out. Now, I suggest when you do it and connect it to one of these, if you're actually doing it for the first time, make sure you've got a long enough piece that you can cut it in half and you can drag it out of that. That is a little bit broken. I don't know whether this is going to work or not. It's got two of the clips and the other two are gone. I'm having a guess it's not going to work. But I'll give it a go, and if not, I'll have to order some parts from AliExpress to fix this. Now, this filter in Australia is worth $110 for a replacement, so make sure you push down properly and pull it out. Don't try and rip it out with a screwdriver, my suggestion. Now I'm going to cut off a bit off the end of the piece that I've already got, and I'm going to make a bigger piece to come into here, into the red bit, because that's the flow position, and the white bit is the output position. It is also used in Hisense, which I'm using now. So this was my old one off my Samsung, but now I've got a Hisense and it does the same thing. You just push it in and pull back, and this thing will come back. So when you want to get it out, you push down and pull it out. There's clips that go in here that hold it in position. So then you put this one on here, making sure that you have the flow rate the right way. Flow. So it goes down. So that has to go that way. Okay? Flow rate coming back to the pipe. Okay, so I've put the clips in. That is all the way up. I've put the clips in and make sure that's all the way up so that the water doesn't spurt everywhere like it did on me. And now it's all connected and it works. So you turn it up. That should hold it. Now, I'm not sure what these are worth, but I know these are 110 in Australia. So make sure you've got a nice long bit here so you can cut it in the middle. If it breaks off there, you got a little bit of a problem. That's what happened with me. It just broke off here. You need a little bit of length there. And that's it from me. Please subscribe and like if you like. Okay, have a great day.